Hello everyone, welcome to Coding News Episode 1. This is Kumar and you are watching Coding World. The first news is from Google. Google launched its free Kotlin developer course for beginners. Kotlin is one of the fastest growing programming languages on GitHub. Over 70% of the top 1000 Android apps are now powered by Kotlin. If anyone interested in learning Android development with Kotlin, this is the website for it. You can directly go to the website by clicking the link in the description. Let's see how the course is designed in this website. This is where Google published its free Kotlin developer course. Here it says Unit 1 is available now and more units are coming soon. And here Unit 1 Kotlin basics for Android with earnable badges like Introduction to Kotlin, First app in Android Studio, Build a basic layout, Dice Roller app. Let's click on Explore to see what's inside the Unit 1. Here we can see 5 activities are there in Android Basics Introduction to Kotlin and 5 activities in creating your first Android app, 4 activities in build a basic layout, add a button to an app, 6 activities. The second news is from TCS. TCS is conducting lateral hiring. Here in this official website of TCS, it shows 146 jobs available. Let's check out what are those. Yeah, you can go through these websites and filter your job which is suitable for you. The next news is jobs at Infosys. Let's see what are those. Here we can see 53 jobs are found. Out of those, you can select particular job based on your skill. Let's see depending on Amazon Web Services. So two jobs were found on the category Amazon Web Services. That is, one is senior AWS administrator, another one is AWS consultant. So like this, you can search for your like job and you can apply. The next news is from IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore launched an online course on artificial intelligence. Let's see about it. The course contents include introduction, problem solving, knowledge and reasoning, learning, deep learning, distributed AI, artificial intelligence programming, and applications. It should be registered via link. The link will be provided in the description, but it is a paid course which costs 15,000 rupees with 18% GST. The last date to register is 31st July 2020. Classes will be conducted via Microsoft Teams or Google Meet app. The next news is from Ruby programming language. 2021 Fukuoka Ruby Award competition. It has a grand prize worth 1 million Japanese yen. So the deadline for it is December 4, 2020. You can apply by clicking this link. I am providing the link in the description. So if you are a good programmer in Ruby programming language, it will be for you.